What's up, my YouTube friends? I am your host, Jeremy Johnson, for the next 7 minutes. I just like 7, lucky number 7. And I have a killer van to show you. We're gonna call this the Ultimate Moto van. This is a E350 and this thing is killer. But before I jump into this thing and show you guys all of the cool stuff in this van, I am going to ask you guys of a big favor, and that big favor is to head over to Growing Up Garage and smash that subscribe button. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and we need your help to do it. So do me a favor, do Caden a favor, and do all those kids a favor that would love to learn about racing and tools. Help them out, share that video, share videos with them, and smash that subscribe button, guys. Thank you very much. Now back to your regularly scheduled program. All right, guys, so this is actually round 2 of this E350 van, and this van came in about 2.5 years ago to get an awesome Baja grocery getter kit on it. So you guys know this kit, so we did a 6-inch kit up front. Let's talk about that because you guys have never seen it before. So we have our coils, our Fox shocks, our extended radius arms on the front of this thing. And so, actually, wait a second. Pump the brakes. I got excited. I'm lying to you right now. This is an Ocotillo cruiser kit, guys. See, my mind, I'm losing my mind. Guys, this is an Ocotillo cruiser kit, okay? We ran the extended radius arms to run a bigger tire on there. So on here, we have a set of 275/70/17s. We are now gonna go to 285/70/17, so we're gonna go even bigger. But you can see how much room I have in the wheel well back here. A ton of room so I can run that bigger tire. So what the benefit of that is, guys, is we're not getting the height out of it. We're gonna be about 2 inches lower. So you're gonna notice that tire fills up that wheel well a little better. Now the downfall part of this is because we've moved this all forward, if you have a stock front bumper, you're gonna have to cut more of your bumper back, which really isn't a big deal. And as you can see on round 2, which we're done right now, is we've added a front bumper and we're gonna run around to the front of that in just a minute, guys. But a lot of you ask, hey, what size tire can I run on an Ocotillo cruiser kit? And you can run a 285 if you do the extended radius arms, if you like that low squatty look. So something to think about if you're kind of like on the fence, if you think 5 inches is too much, or, you know, this is gonna give you guys a good look. Ocotillo cruiser kit right here, boom. So in the back, we've even done one more. So in the back of this, same thing, guys, Ocotillo cruiser, custom set of leaf springs in the back. So you're gonna see this thing still sits really low in the back. It's actually a little bit higher in the back, and because what this is, like I said in the beginning of the video, is a motocross hauler, we're gonna jump inside, we're gonna show you the cool build out that they have going on in there. But as we work around this thing, let's get back up to the front to check out this awesome bumper that we put on. And what do you guys think? So this thing has like the black on silver wrap. So the whole center of it, you can see it's got the black. The side of it's a little bit more metallic-y. Pretty cool. So we're going old school, old body front end. This is an 06 van. So you can see we've done our tube winch bumper up on the front of this thing. This is beautiful. We're running a set of the Light Force Venom lights. These are the driving lights. I love these lights. They're awesome. And if you're going to buy a set of lights that you're gonna use or can use all the time, I'm gonna recommend these lights. They work really good and I use them a lot. So on the front of this, we've added a Smittybilt winch. This is a 10K winch with a synthetic rope. What's nice about this winch also is that you can run it wired or wireless, depending on what you want. It's up to you. It's like however you want it, guys. So that's really nice. Synthetic cable you're gonna see coming out. We didn't have any black D-rings. He's gonna add his own D-rings to the front of this thing, or I'm sorry, shackles to the front of this thing. But overall, this thing's looking killer. So up here, we also give you 2 more mounts to run 2 additional lights. As you notice on a lot of the bumpers, we're running the big HTX lights. What we like about that is it's gonna have the HID on the inside, and then it has the LED on the outside of it. That both are on different switches. So that makes it really nice depending on if you want short distance or long distance lighting. And if you want to know more about some of this light force lighting, I'm going to throw up a card right here and you guys can check out a video that we did on our way to the Mint 400, having fun with a ton of our light force lights, showing you just how far they work. So that's pretty much it, guys, for the front bumper. So you're going to see that on a older style van, this bumper does stick out a little bit farther than on a 2008 and newer van, where you're gonna have about a 4 to 5 inch bigger grill. So still looks really nice, all done up on there. And I know we talked about tire size, but also, guys, just real quick, a set of the Method NVs. These are in black, black on black, black wheel, black beadlock. These things are awesome. 17 by 8.5, and that's gonna be a 4 3/4 back spacing with a 0 offset. All kinds of information there. You guys want to see the let's go check out the back of this thing first, and then we'll finish showing you guys the inside. So when you want to run bigger tires and you have a sliding door, something to think about is you may have to do a door slide extension. And this is right here is our door slide extension by Weldtec Designs. And I want you guys to see, when you come in here, you can see that, you know, I'm getting about 3 inches right here more space. You can see how far this is kicked out on your door, so a lot more room to clear that bigger tire if you're wanting to run bigger tires on your van and it has sliding doors. It's all very doable. As we come back, we got my seat, got my trusty seat on the back of this one, as well as the last Chevy we did, and it was a naked box bumper. So our double swing out bumper, guys, this is on the Ford. So what's nice about this is gonna have a double lock latch right here. So in order to pop that open, it's gonna swing completely out of the way and then lock open out of the way. That way you're able to completely get into the back of this thing. We got all kinds of motocross stickers. You'd think he rides or something. No, wait, that's what this thing is for. So spare tire carrier on the back of this thing. And I guess I might as well jump in this thing. Let's show you guys what's going on the inside. All right, guys, so I'm just chilling in the back of this, and you know, you guys always love flipping these seats around, and he was telling me that this is a sportsmobile base to flip this seat around. And I know you can't come up here all the way. I'll make Austin come all the way up and show you guys this awesome seat we did. But you can see the inside of this thing is super cool. He's got the side panels on here. He's got the stop in here to be able to put his bike in and tie it all down. And then he's got like a jackknife bed here in the back in order to fold this thing down if he wants to just crash out in there. You know, you got your necessary tools in case you got to work on your bike. And then look at that. I like that little tire pressure gauge. Ooh, the holder. Pretty sweet little device right there, because I'm always looking for my tire pressure gauge when we are out at the track. I'm gonna have to get one of those. Take note right there. But otherwise, it looks like we have a max air fan or other type of fan in the roof of this thing to get some, you know, the air in and out. But really a cool build. It's very simple, minimalistic, I would say, but it's gonna do the job. It's gonna keep you comfy and haul all your gear to the track, which is rad. And then I'm gonna have Austin come up and check out this awesome seat that we put in here as well. So guys, this is our Ultra seat conversion. This is a seat that this is originally a Toyota Sienna seat that we completely redo. We make the backs higher, we make the adjustable headrest in there, and then we also add the seat belt to the seat, so that way it's not relying on a seat belt off the wall like in a normal van. This is also on a base bolted down, so what's going to be really nice about this is when you're sitting in here cruising, you have a straight shot out and plenty of leg room between the two other seats, which is going to be really nice. So if you're wanting to add another seat to your van, you don't necessarily want 2 seats, this may be a really good option for you. And it's simple. It's just not that comfortable. I mean, like, I'm lying. I think I could just like take a nap here, guys. I'm good. Let's go. Seat's rad. I love it. We can do these seats for you in all different kinds of colors to match. Do whatever you want, guys. So I think that is it. I think I covered everything that we did on this van. And if I missed something, ask me a question. I will try to help you out if you are looking for one of the components on here or would like to build your van like this van. Let me know in the comments what you think of this van, guys. As always, I appreciate and love every single one of you guys for watching our videos, for supporting us on YouTube and supporting our business. I wish you guys the best. Thank you very much. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and I will see you guys in the next video.